can't love you better than she can. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Esha, and I'm back with another hair review. Today I'm reviewing this blonde ombre wig from Hairvivi. It's perfect for brown skin or women of color. So if you're interested in learning more about this unit and seeing how easy it was for me to install, make sure you keep watching. But before we do that, if this is the first time you're ever seeing my face or hearing my voice, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the family. And without any further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, now this video is sponsored by hairvivi.com, and this is the beautiful packaging that the hair comes in, and you're going to get about 5.5 inches of parting space on this unit. This is their ombre brown and blonde wig. This unit does already come bleached. There are 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, along with a removable and an adjustable elastic band. And although this unit is blonde, this hair is very soft and bouncy, and it's not dry at all. And as you can see, this hairline does come pre-plucked and ready to install. Hey dolls. Okay, so your girl is trying blonde today. The funny thing is, when I first started my channel, I never wore anything but black. And since I've been doing YouTube and I started getting blonde wigs, I realized that I really love blonde wigs. And I used to always stay away from it because I felt like, because I'm dark skinned, that the blonde would clash with my complexion. But I really learned if you find the right color blonde, it will look so bomb against your chocolate skin. So I'm gonna get ready to apply this unit. You know, this unit is from Hairvivi. They're slowly becoming one of my fave since they've actually learned how to bleach their knots, because that first unit I received from them, those knots was way over bleached. And this is like the second unit that I received from them, and the knots look like they're bleached pretty well. Now, this wig actually comes with a fake scalp, but I really don't like that whole fake scalp technology. I'm not really a fan of it. However, it's very popular. So if it's something that you're interested in, you can get this wig in a fake scalp as well. However, you're not going to see me doing any more fake scalp reviews, because every time I do, I always end up taking the scalp out. So what's the point? So they took the scalp out for me because yeah. So okay, so I'm gonna get ready to put this on. I think this is gonna be a really quick install because, you know, this wig is usually ready to go. You know, Hairvivi wigs are usually ready to go. It's not really much I have to do to it. Y'all know I'm gonna change the part because this is a middle part. But go ahead, let me go ahead and I'm gonna put this on so that I could cut the lace. So this is what it looks like straight out the box. As you guys can see, it's already pre-plucked. I could go ahead and pluck it some more. I'm not sure if I want to bother. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off the front of this. Okay, so now that I got the lace cut off, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of my Got To Be Glue hairspray to the perimeter. Go ahead and tie my hairline down with my scarf for about 10 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, dolls, now I'm gonna take this scarf off. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do baby hairs or not, but while I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and switch this to a side part, because you guys know I don't rock a middle part. I'm gonna use some of my wax stick to tame these flyaways. Let me adjust the lens. Okay, so this blonde has me channeling my inner Mary J. Blige. I know whenever I wear blonde, I always get the most Mary J. Blige comments, so I already know it's coming. But so I'm trying to decide if I wanted to do baby hair. I feel like I want to do some baby hair, but y'all know I'm always messing my baby hair up. If at first you don't succeed, try again, right? Okay, but this is what it looks like without baby hairs. Without any baby hair, straight out the box. As you guys saw, all I did was cut the lace. So let me give you the details on this unit really quickly. This is the Lily Blonde lace front wig from Hairvivi. I'm not really sure how many inches this is. I'll find out and then I'll put it across the screen, but let me stand up so you guys can see where this falls. So this is it curled. I'm sure when it's straightened it will gain some more length. This is again straight out the box. I didn't even add a curling iron to this. This is how it came in the box. As of right now, I'm not getting any tangling from this unit. I'm barely getting any shedding. Might get 1 or 2 strands, but really nothing. I don't really have too many issues with shedding from my Hairvivi units. And Hairvivi wigs do come in different cap sizes, so you are able to get a wig that fits your head size. So this is pretty much what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and try to add some baby hairs, but I wanted to give you guys a first look to see what it looks like without the baby hairs. And to be honest, I like it. I like it. What y'all think? Dark and lovely with blonde. What y'all think? What y'all think? As I mentioned, this wig does come with the fake scalp, so if you are interested in a fake scalp, you can get a fake scalp. This is a really simple install. Like I told you, I knew it was going to be a simple install because Hairvivi wigs really come ready to wear. You do tend to pay extra for that extra quality. So if you're interested in this unit, I do have a coupon code for you to save a little on your purchase. I'll put that across the screen, and I'll also have it in the description box down below. And if you're interested in a black wig, be sure to check out my other Hairvivi video. I'll be sure to link that at the end of this video. And dolls, I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed right here. But guys, before we leave, you know I'm gonna need y'all to name this beauty. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. Also, I'm wearing another pair of lashes. I'm trying out some lashes because I'm going to start selling lashes on my website. Let me know if you guys like this lashes. I'm just running through different styles. So as you see my lashes in each video, if you like the lashes that I'm wearing in the video, be sure and let me know in the comment section down below so I know which ones that I should be selling. And if you're not part of the faithful fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And dolls, is always important. Until next time, stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.